Today we're talking about maintenance and self-care, the kind that helps your space stay peaceful and helps you stay grounded in the process. Hi friends, and welcome to week 4, our final video in the Reset Your Space, a Calm Reset to Fall series. Over the last few weeks, we've decluttered the visual chaos, brought in calm with thoughtful organization, and refreshed tired spaces so they feel like a clean slate. But here's the truth about peaceful homes. They're not built in a weekend. They're nurtured a little at a time with small habits and a lot of grace. Today, we're talking about maintenance and self-care, the kind that helps your space stay peaceful and helps you stay grounded in the process. Let's start with a thought. Creating a calm home isn't about staying perfectly tidy. It's about coming back to calm more easily, more often. So, if you've ever felt like your space gets away from you or your progress doesn't last, this is for you. Let's talk about how to keep the momentum going without getting overwhelmed. Tip 1. Set a weekly reset ritual, 20 to 30 minutes max. This isn't about deep cleaning. It's just a gentle check-in with your space. You might clear surfaces that collect clutter, fluff the pillows and open the windows, return things to their homes, light a candle or turn on calming music. Call it your Sunday space reset or your Friday afternoon tidy, whatever fits your rhythm. The goal is a soft recentering, not a chore marathon. Pick one focus zone each week. Maybe the kitchen this time, your desk next. That way nothing gets too out of hand. Tip 2. Use the 2-minute rule for daily maintenance. If it takes less than 2 minutes, just do it now. This keeps the little things from snowballing into big messes. Shoes by the door, toss them in the bin. Mail stack forming, sort it on the spot. Blanket on the floor, fold and drape it over the couch. You'll be amazed how these tiny wins add up to lasting peace. Tip 3. Align your space with your energy. Not every day will feel productive, and that's okay. Your home should flex with your real life. So ask yourself, what spaces drain me? What spaces support me? And what can I shift to make things easier for future me? Even one small change, a lamp where you journal, a tray by the door, a drawer organizer, can ripple into your daily peace. Tip 4. Add in self-care. Your home should support you, not just look pretty. So let's sprinkle in some self-care moments. A favorite mug and tea by the kettle, a cozy throw near your favorite reading chair, a little tray for nightly wind down items, lip balm, lavender spray, your journal. These are more than decor. They're signals to your nervous system that you are safe here. Tip 5. Create a maintenance rhythm that feels gentle. This isn't a strict routine. It's more like a seasonal flow. Think of it like this. Daily, 2-minute resets, one soothing moment, and put away what's on the floor. Weekly, space reset ritual, laundry catch-up, recenter one key zone. Monthly, one mini declutter focus, check on systems, your bins, baskets, and routines, and refresh one blah corner. The rhythm matters less than the kindness behind it. Start small and adjust as needed. You've done so much over these past 4 weeks, decluttering, organizing, refreshing, and now sustaining your peaceful space with care. It's not about perfection. It's about feeling more at ease in your home and in your skin. If you've followed along with this series, I hope you're feeling a little lighter, a little more in control, and a whole lot more supported. Next up, we're leaning into fall with one of my favorite things, creating a home that feels cozy, calm, and truly comforting. It's part of our Fall Yuga series. I can't wait to share it with you. Until then, take a breath and keep coming back to calm. Bye-bye.